U-Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, Usola usihlalo wesigcawu, uQubudile Jantyi, usotswebhu ANC ePhalamende uPhemi Majudina, kanye nothina Peterson ongasekho, ngokuthi bacela intshontsho kumyeni wakhe ukuze iPhalamende liyeke ukumphenya ngokulungela kwakhe ukuba kulesi sikhundla.
I find it difficult to appear before you as the chairperson who has been implicated or who is alleged to have also sent Honorable Jumate, may her soul rest in peace, to come and solicit bribe from my husband.
Usihlalo ubengafuni nakuzizwa izinsolo zika-Advocate Mkhwebane, wathi akuyona indawo efanele yokuphakamisa lokhu.
This is not a platform for you to present that. We have to find where that belongs.
Uthi unawo umlayezo oqoshiwe oqinisekisa lokhu.
There is a recording which the public will be hearing, which I've heard, where you were said to have solicited the bribe, and you were called by name, and Ms. Majudine was called by name on that.
Amalungu ekomiti asole uJantyi ngokuchema.
We're not going to be serious if we're now censoring her because she's raising issues that implicate you. That is an abuse of platform. Please allow her to speak and we'll be done in no time. You are now in trouble.
U-Advocate Mkhwebane uthe uzofaka esinye isicelo futhi sokuthi ahoxiswe uJantyi ekubeni usihlalo walesi sigcawu uma esethole abameli.